And today we are see families. What are they discuss about it? Today we are discuss about Nila family. What are the family members in Nila family? See one by one. Mother, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Grandmother. Grandmother. G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R. Grandmother. Grandfather. Grandfather. G-R-A-N-T-F-A-T-H-E-R. Grandfather. Students, we are learn today mother, father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather. Okay, today homework is write the family members name one by one in English notebook and read out and memorize. Okay students, thank you.